In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable DNSSEC with Cloudflare. If you're looking to enhance the security of your domain and protect it against DNS spoofing or other malicious activities, enabling DNSSEC is a crucial step. DNSSEC, or Domain Name System Security Extensions, ensures that visitors to your site always reach the correct and intended destination by adding an extra layer of authentication to your DNS records. It's a straightforward process when using Cloudflare, and I'll guide you through it step by step. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Cloudflare dashboard. Make sure you're using the correct account that manages the domain you want to secure. Once logged in, you'll see a list of all the domains associated with your account. Take a moment to locate the specific domain for which you want to enable DNSSEC. Now, click on the domain to access its settings. This will take you to the domain's overview page, where you can manage various configurations. From here, navigate to the DNS settings by clicking on the DNS tab. You'll find this tab in the navigation bar at the top of the page, so it's easy to spot. Once you're in the DNS settings, scroll down the page until you find the DNSSEC section. Cloudflare organizes its settings neatly, so it shouldn't take long to locate. In the DNSSEC section, you'll see an option to enable DNSSEC. Click the Enable DNSSEC button. This action notifies Cloudflare to begin the process of securing your domain with DNSSEC. After you enable DNSSEC, Cloudflare will begin generating a delegation signer DS record. This DS record is essential for completing the DNSSEC setup. The generation process might take a few moments, so be patient. Once the DS record is ready, you'll see an option to expand the DS record section. Click to expand it, and you'll be able to view the generated values. These include the key tag, algorithm, digest type, and digest. Each of these values is critical for the next steps. Next, you'll need to copy these DS record values. Be sure to copy them carefully, as any errors in these values could cause configuration issues. With the DS record values copied, it's time to switch over to your domain registrar's control panel. This is the platform where you originally registered your domain name. Log into your registrar's account and navigate to the DNSSEC section in their interface. Every registrar's layout is slightly different, so if you're unsure where to find this section, you can refer to their help documentation or support team. Once you're in the DNSSEC section of your registrar's control panel, paste the DS record values into the designated fields. Be precise when entering this information. After pasting the values, save the changes. This step tells your registrar to link your domain's DNSSEC configuration with the DS record provided by Cloudflare. Now, you'll need to wait for Cloudflare to detect the published DS record. This process can take anywhere from 10 minutes to 2 hours, depending on various propagation factors. During this time, Cloudflare will verify that the DS record is correctly implemented at your registrar. Once the verification is complete, the DNSSEC status in your Cloudflare dashboard will update to active. This status confirms that DNSSEC has been successfully enabled and is now protecting your domain. To double-check everything, it's a good idea to use a DNSSEC verification tool such as dnsv.net to confirm that the configuration has been implemented correctly. These tools provide an additional layer of assurance that all settings are accurate and functioning as intended. And that's it! You've successfully enabled DNSSEC on your domain using Cloudflare. By doing this, you've taken an important step toward ensuring the security and reliability of your site. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.